Hi, my name's Connor. I'm a Dyson sales expert in Dundee, and today I'll be showing you one great feature about the high torque motorised brush head for the Dyson V11. On the front of your brush bar, you'll notice three different options: plus, middle and minus. These settings result in a change in surface area of the vents, ultimately resulting in a difference in suction. Plus, this is great for thick pile carpets or increasing the suction to give you a strong, powerful clean. However, the surface area is reduced, so it's not great when it comes to picking up large pieces of debris on hard floors. Middle setting is great for all floor surfaces, as it has a small area of surface area which can squeeze through larger pieces of debris, but ultimately is all well rounded for every floor type. And finally, minus is great for a lighter clean, as the vents are fully open, exposing a greater surface area to take in larger pieces of debris, but ideally great for all floor surfaces as well.